LED indicator light flashes when water cannot pass through the cartridge, generally indicating it's time to change the cartridge. Self-priming filter pump will auto-start initially or restart if power is interrupted and restored. Provides mechanical, chemical, biological and optional, additional specialty pad filtration. High flow rates for optimal dissolved oxygen content to promote healthier, more active fish. Internal pump design helps dampen noise and eliminate leaks with self-priming feature. Do not clean Bioholster when replacing the cartridge as it contains beneficial biological bacteria. Fits fresh or saltwater aquarium size up to 20 gallons. Uses 1 medium Aqueon replacement cartridge and size 10 specialty filter pads. Top reviews from the United States. 2-month review. At first I didn't like it. I thought the replacement filters was a bit much and that was loud. However, after 2 months I've really grown to appreciate this product and was wrong in my early assessment. It actually is quiet and I had forgotten I was used to my submerged pump. Apples and oranges. Compared to like products, yes, this one is quiet. I saw the light was on and it was cleaning time. I really liked that light coming on because the filter was pretty dirty. I washed it out the time before, so I was really appreciating dropping it in the trash, opening the drawer, pulling out a fresh new filter with fresh new charcoal bits, and popping the tray back in easy breezy. I thought to myself, wow, that was too easy. I really like this model and would have never known it till I tried it. I thought that change the filter light was not accurate, gimmicky, and not helpful enough to warrant its existence. Nope. I really appreciate that little light. Genius. I really can forget about it, ignore it, put it out of my mind till I see that light. Luxurious.